This is the River 2 Pro from Ecoflow, and in this video we're going to smash over a bunch of this device's specs. It has a 768 watt-hour LFP battery, e.g. if you plug in a 60 watt light you should get just over 12 hours of runtime if using the light at full power. While the River 2 Pro isn't what I'd call large, it is dense, weighing at approximately 7.8 kgs. When it comes to charging speeds, it will handle 940 watt max from the AC port, 220 watt max from the solar, 100 watt max from the car charger. Also the USB-C port on the front is also listed as an input at 100 watt max, but I'm unsure if that wattage is its max output. Either way, it's a lot. When it comes to charging your devices, the car charger can output 126 watts. The two DC 5521 ports output 12.6 volts at 3 amp at 36 watt max. I know this is number heavy, but it's all good stuff for batteries. And the three USB-A ports are 12 watt max each. And the Granddaddy AC ports can handle 800 watts total, with a surge value of 1600 watts. But back to the battery, it should be good for about 3000 cycles, after which it would be down to about 80+%. If that sounds concerning, that is about 10 years of using it every single day. Don't be concerned. Ideally you want to run the River 2 Pro between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. It will discharge and charge in far worse conditions than that, but 20 to 30 degrees is best. All of which can be controlled and monitored via an app. Finally, the display itself is bright, clear, refreshes information quickly. I also got the solar panel to test, and it's very nice to see efficiency of panel angle in real time as you tilt them around. Camping or portable studio, check out the River 2 Pro from Ecoflow.